Hi, my name is Pratik, and this is my final project for human AI interaction. I built StudySyncAI. It's an AI tool that automatically syncs Canvas assignments into Apple reminders and adds AI generated summaries, priorities, and study insights. So when a user first opens the web app, they see the setup screen. The setup screen asks for three things: their college, a reminder list name for each Canvas course, and whether they want to automate um, and whether they want automatic syncing and AI summaries. The university name helps the AI understand um, the difficulty and workload context. The reminder list name ensures assignments get mapped correctly into Apple reminders. So I want my course codes as my list name, so I'll go ahead and change my default names to match that. And I'll also toggle both of these just for the purposes of this demo, so we're able to see that it's actually synced into Apple reminders and we get AI summaries for it. These options follow human AI interaction guideline 1, making clear what the system can do and why it asks for this information. Now I'll press save and sync. So after setup, the user is taken to the home page. Sync assignments and AI insights are disabled, and this is disabled until the first sync is complete. A progress bar here also shows the system fetching assignments from Canvas, and I added the progress indicator to follow transparency principles, helping users understand what is happening and calibrate trust. On the sidebars, the user can view all Canvas courses, and that's the menu we're on right now. And they can also add custom courses that aren't in Canvas. For example, I have a computer science class 15 to 10, and that class is not on Canvas, but I could still add it here this way, and it'll still behave like another class. The only thing that won't happen is it won't automatically pull out all my assignments because this is all on Gradescope, it's not on Canvas, but I might work on in the future, making sure that my project works with more sources, not just Canvas. Um, but anyways, the user can also view recently deleted items and open settings directly from here, the sidebar menu. So after the syncing finishes, assignments appear grouped by course in the All Classes menu. Each assignment card shows the title, due date, AI summary, priority, difficulty, estimated time, and a confidence score showing how certain the AI is. So if you hover over it, it'll say it's 4 out of 5 confident, and it will also give you a reason for why it thinks that. And all of these fields are fully editable so that your student remains in control. For example, I can remove the AI summary and actually regenerate it. Um, Editable fields like this follow the human in control principle from class. And assignments can also be added to Apple reminders. So if autosync is enabled, it happens automatically. So we'll see these were all just added to my reminders app. But to describe or show what happens if we add an assignment manually, let's say we're testing this assignment. It's due on the 29th. And sure, let's use AI. Let's add something with AI. This is a test assignment. No actual work. So if I press add, it generates the AI summary and it adds it here. It says time 0 hours, priority low, difficulty easy. And this is just a test, no actual work is involved. So the AI is fully confident on this just because I gave it a very specific description. We'll see it's not added here yet, or it's in 05318. So if we go in 05318, it's not added here yet because we haven't pressed add to reminders yet. So now once we press it, it'll be added here. Next, the settings page. Here the user can change their college name, enable or disable automatic syncing, and toggle AI summaries, and also manage their courses. So every course has a reminder list, and users can disable courses they don't want tracked. This helps keep the system flexible and under user control. I also want to explain two key pilot insights that influenced the design. One user kept rapidly clicking like the AI features like sync assignments, AI insights, and like generate AI summary when available. And this caused overlapping AI calls and errors. And I was able to fix this by adding button locking during AI operations. So now like all these other buttons are disabled so the user can't trigger race conditions. So this follows principles from lecture 6 about preventing user-induced failures. Another one of my friends who I tested this app on is a TA and said that they didn't want their courses they teach to appear in their assignments list because it clutters everything and that's not really something they need there. So I added the ability for users to directly be able to disable specific courses. You could do this directly in settings or in the initial setup. And obviously, you're able to enable it again later on down in the line. But this directly applies stakeholder-driven design by supporting different types of users with different needs. So in summary, StudySync AI combines automation, transparency, and user control to make Canvas easier and less stressful to navigate. Thank you.